buzz of excitement. That's all right. So, thank you for your time, everybody. I appreciate your attendance in the room, and I look forward to catching everyone tomorrow. As I said, I'm going to be pretty much doing yeah, I do. Let me just get rid of that and drop that in the room. Yeah, I was hoping no one would see that desktop. uh, Caught me out, Steve. You're just too quick on the visual cue there. Um, Look, I may not have time for the Infinity run through. Where are we? I might just grab you quickly tomorrow, Leone, and walk you through it, or Thursday if that's cool. I think I'm going to run out of a little bit of time, so I'll put aside probably 15 minutes just to take you through that. Just putting the orders on. I've actually recorded the Infinity presentation, which I can send you a link to. So, but I'm happy to go through it as well. So I'm happy to take you through that. I'll just probably need to do that tomorrow. So, traders, thank you for your time again. As I said, we'll be back to kick off the room live tomorrow with Bob. Looking forward to a big session, and I'll be doing these training sessions probably twice a week for 2 to 3 times a week for our new traders. So the next one will obviously be the next week, because we've had 2 this week. So we will be running it live tomorrow. And Gary, the session starts. We'll just grab up. I'll just show you the system, and the session kicks off. Typically, we're in here at around about 20 past 8. So let me just grab that, and I'll just project that monitor in, and I'll get Bob to take you through the trades that have occurred yesterday and today. So we'll get him to do a complete run through. So I'll just send. So market was pretty choppy yesterday. I'll get Bob to come in a little bit earlier, or probably about 20 past, and we'll get him to give us a little bit of a run through. And then we'll get into it, as I said, tomorrow. So that's our system. If you haven't seen it before, I'll just walk you through how it basically sets up. In about 5 minutes, it's going to set up with what we call our box for the day. So we'll take you back just here and just squeeze this down. So the basic premise of the system is that it's a breakout strategy, and we've had pretty much a pretty sideways choppy week and yesterday. So we're anticipating that crude's going to break out, and it typically does. I went back through, as I said, I went back through the data yesterday and today, and I've been looking specifically at markets that are, the trades that have had the choppier weeks, and we basically have seen a couple of periods where crude consolidates and gets fairly choppy and range bound, but then typically after that it breaks out and delivers some very, very nice trades. So as I mentioned before, it's just a matter of just being there and at the right time. So so what we've got here is we've basically got our momentum index and our trend index. We need both of those indexes to be either red for a sell or green for a buy. So if we don't have that, we don't have a trade. So you can see here that we need to have both of those indicators setting up, otherwise we definitely don't have a buy set up